हम्म, हम लोग बात करेंगे। देखो फोर्स, लास्ट लास्ट सेक्शन में भी हमने फोर्स पढ़ा था। फोर्स इज मास इनटू एक्सेलरेशन, दैट इज किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, राइट। तो एंड 1 किलोग्राम मीटर per second square is equal to 10 raised to the power 5 gram centimeter per second square. So that is called 10 raised to the power 5 uh, डायन, राइट। एंड आपने एक पढ़ा है कि 1 न्यूटन इज इक्वल टू 0.1 kgf और 100 gf, राइट। और हम कह सकते हैं कि वन, हाँ, or we can say 1 kgf is equal to 10 Newton. Learn these conversions like anything. These conversions are very basic and you should not lose. Generally questions जो होते हैं वो इसीलिए इसमें रख दिए जाते हैं, kgf में रख दिए जाते हैं to make you confused. So you must be very much familiar with this, right? And there should be no confusion with that. Okay, so now today we are going to talk about force, right? Like I'm teaching you, so definitely I'm doing physical work, right? But physics में that is not a work. In physics, जैसे कि ये क्या है, इसको जो है, ये आदमी जो है प्रथम जो है धक्का लगा रहा है, ठीक है। ये इसको पुश कर रहा है, ही मतलब पुटिंग फोर्स, राइट। लेकिन इट इज नो डिस्प्लेसमेंट, मतलब डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज एस इज इक्वल टू 0, राइट। तो इन फिजिक्स, देन इन फिजिक्स no work done, no work done, right? No doubt he is putting muscular energy, right? He and after pushing lot of force, putting for lot of force, but it is, if it is not displacing it from its position, in physics work is not done. In physics work is only done when on applying force there must be some displacement. So work is force on applying force, on applying force, on applying force, there must be displacement, right? Displacement. So work is on applying force, there must be displacement. So W is equal to F into S. If displacement is S and F is force. So you know this force is also a vector quantity. Displacement is also a vector quantity. Plus into plus. हाँ, वेक्टर क्वांटिटी का साइन होता है, या उसके ऊपर हम एरो बना देते हैं। तो जैसे कि प्लस है, प्लस प्लस क्या होता है, प्लस इंटू प्लस प्लस प्लस, एंड माइनस इंटू माइनस है, टू साइड माइनस, हाँ प्लस, राइट। तो वैसे ही यहाँ पे वेक्टर इंटू वेक्टर स्केलर, ठीक है ना, राइट। स्केलर 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 इंटू स्केलर इज स्केलर, सो वेक्टर इंटू वेक्टर इज स्केलर, ठीक है। सो दैट्स व्हाई वर्क इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी, work is a scalar quantity. What is a scalar? Yes, very sad. This I told you, I hope. हाँ, it gives me lot of pleasure. नहीं वो नोट रखे हैं, लेकिन it pleasure की यार मैंने पढ़ाया था उनको। तो work is a scalar quantity, and it needs only magnitude and physical unit. No direction is required, right? So work is a scalar quantity. Work is force into displacement, right? So force, अब क्या है कि फोर्स इज मेजर्ड इन न्यूटन इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन मीटर, राइट। तो इसको बोलेंगे हम लोग न्यूटन मीटर, राइट। और न्यूटन की एक यूनिट होती है किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर इनटू मीटर, राइट। तो तो वर्क की यूनिट एसआई यूनिट में अगर हम बात करें तो किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, दैट इज यूनिट ऑफ वर्क, दैट इज वी कॉल जूल, राइट। 1 जूल इज इक्वल टू 1 किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर। I hope you understand. Should I rub this? I'm going to rub. Adhika gone? What, yes? Gone? Where gone? Hello? अच्छा, no. Hello? When she came, yes. Okay. कहाँ 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 चली गई थी तुम? मैं आता हूँ, कल इसको बताता हूँ। अरे सुनो, आ, तो क्या था, हम लोग थे, मैंने बताया 1 जूल इज 1 किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर per second square, right? And 1 joule is also known, and work is also measured in calorie. Work is also measured in calorie, right? Calorie. So one calorie is equal to 4.186 joule, right? Or we can say it 4.2 joule, right? 4.2 joule. and 1 kilocalorie is equal to 1000 calorie, right? Calorie. So, so 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4186 joule, or maybe call 4200 joule, right? Okay. Now one more thing I told you, 1 joule, 1 joule is equal to 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter, and 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to the power 5 Dye, right? Into meter. Meter is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So we can call it now 10 raised to the power 7. 5 plus 2 becomes 7. Dye centimeter. Dye centimeter. And this is called erg, right? So one joule is, so 1 joule is 10 raised to the power 7 erg, right? These are the major conversions which you have to keep in your mind. This, you have to keep this, right? This you have to keep in your mind. This is about units, right, of work. Should I rub this? Okay, okay, okay. You have done. Okay. So now, after this, we have, I told you force. If this is the force, this is the force, right? And this is the displacement. When applying force, this is the displacement, right? This is the displacement, and this is making an angle of theta degree, right? So this is resultant displacement S, and its cos factor is called S cos theta. Is called S cos theta, and this is vertical. This is horizontal component of this resultant vector, displacement vector S. This is horizontal vector, and this is the vertical vector, right? This is vertical vector theta, S sin theta, right? So we will take in consideration here this, right? That we call W is equal to W is equal to F S cos theta. Right? We take in consideration cos theta, so we also call W is equal to Fs cos theta. Since this is a vector quantity and this is a vector quantity, right? So it is having two resultant vectors. This is in case of force, and similarly it can be for display. For displace. This is for displacement. Similarly, since force is also vector, so if displacement is in this direction, right? Displacement is in this direction, and force is in this from here. So this is the resultant force. This is the resultant force, and its cos component will be, you know, this is making an angle of theta degree, right? And parallel to this is here a line of force that is called F cos theta. This is called F cos theta, right? And this is vertical component will be here. So like this is F sine theta. This is called F sine theta, right? So this is resultant vector F, and uh, its displacement vector. So we can also write W is equal to, we will take in consideration this F cos theta. So we can write it like this, that W is equal to work is equal to F cos theta into S. But similarly we will write it F S cos theta, right? So both are same, since both are vector quantities. So this is the way we called W is equal to Fs cos theta, right? I hope you understand this. Yeah, yeah, definitely. First wala one anyway. This is the force, right? This is the force, and this is the resultant displacement S. It is making an angle of theta with the horizontal. So this is theta. So this is known as S cos theta, and this is called S sin theta. This is the vertical component S sin theta, and this is horizontal component S cos theta. So we take in consideration always lines are parallel or in same direction. So we take S cos theta in consideration. So that's why Fs cos theta is there, right? And here also, here is force is a vector. So this is the resultant vector. जब अभी आपने vector उतना you have not studied till class 10, तो resultant vector के दो component हुए, और हमने इसके parallel ये line draw कर ली. इसके पैरेलल ये लाइन ड्रॉ कर ली, तो ये इसका वही रिजल्टेंट वैल्यू होगी जो इसकी है. तो ये भी एफ कॉस थीटा है, लेकिन हमने इसका रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर इसका ये वाला कंपोनेंट लिया, और ये जो है ये एफ साइन थीटा जो है ये वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट है. तो वर्टिकल वी विल नॉट टेक इन कंसिडरेशन, वी विल टेक हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट दैट इज एफ कॉस थीटा which is parallel to this, right? So we can write f cos theta into s also. So you can say W is equal to fs cos theta, right? So now there are three conditions in this. If theta is equal to 0 degree, when it will happen, when direction of force and direction of displacement are in same direction. in same direction, right? Direction of displacement and direction of force is same, then theta is equal to 0 degree, right? So we will write, W is equal to F S cos Fs cos 0 degree, right? And cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So that's why W is equal to Fs into 1. So it is Fs. So here it is maximum work done. Maximum work done. Maximum work is done when both are in same direction, right? Or parallel to each other, right? In same direction, or parallel to each other. Okay. Now we go, theta becomes 90 degree. When theta is 90 degree, then when it will happen? When you are applying force like this, right? This is the force, and because of this force, vertical displacement like this, this is displacement. So it is perpendicular. So in this case, theta is 90 degree. So we have W is equal to Fs. Oh, sorry. W is Fs cos 90 degree, and cos 90 is equal to 0. Cos 90 is equal to 0. So when Fs is multiplied by 0 to 0, right? So no work done. No work, no work done. Right? This was condition 1. This was condition 2. And lastly we have third condition, that is third condition is when theta becomes 90 degree. Sorry, 180 degree. When it will happen? When force is in this direction, and displacement is in this direction, opposite to it, then their angle will be 180 degree. So we get W is equal to Fs cos 180. Cos 180 is equal to minus 1. Cos 180 degree is equal to minus 1. So Fs into minus 1 is equal to minus Fs. मतलब negative work done. Right? Like फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स क्या होता है? आप ब्रेक लगाते हो तो इधर की तरफ लगता है, गाड़ी में पीछे की तरफ फोर्स लगता है ना? सो that is frictional force. So these are the conditions. These are the three conditions we have. Where there is maximum work done when theta is 90 degree. When theta is 0 degree, then maximum work done. Theta is 90 degree, then there is no work done, and when 180 degree, then there is negative work done. This is negative work done, right? So these are three conditions for work done, right? Huh? Huh? I do not have book. Anyway, you tell me. हाँ 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 ये हम्म 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 कहाँ ये 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 हमने इसके हॉरिजॉन्टल ये वेक्टर के कंपोनेंट होते हैं रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर ये होता है हॉरिजॉन्टल को कॉस बोलते हैं और जो वर्टिकल होता है उसको साइन बोलते हैं पढ़ा है नहीं पढ़ा है हमें पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले तो P अपॉन H क्या होता है साइन परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज इज साइन बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज इज कॉस perpendicular upon base is tan. When you go in inverse, hypotenuse upon perpendicular is cosec. Hypotenuse upon base is sec, and base upon perpendicular is cot. So this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so that's why it is sine, and this is based upon hypotenuse, so it is cos. Get it? I hope you understand this much. Should I rub this? Should I rub this? Definitely I should. You're writing? Okay. So now what is written in your first section other than this? There is also about energy. Should I rub this? I'm going to rub. Yeah. Or power. Okay, I'll tell you. Energy is kind of work done. Kind of work done. It is also or capacity to do work. Capacity to do work. Right? Then we have mechanical energy. What is it? Mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is amount of work done on an object due to which it poses energy, right? So energy poses by an object due to work done on it is known as matlab, yeah, or you can say energy energy poses by an object due to work done work done on it, right? That is called mechanical energy. Now this mechanical energy is of two types. One is due to position that is known as potential energy, right? And due to motion known as kinetic energy. I hope this much is written in your book. Okay. And sorry, since energy is a kind of work done or capacity to do work, so unit of energy is equal to unit of work done, unit of work, that is joule, right? Unit of energy is a kind of work done, so unit of energy is equal to unit of work, that is known as joule, right? Okay, this much. Now I'm going to rub this. Now we have power, right? Power is rate of work done. Rate of work done. What it means? Rate of work done. मतलब or work done in unit time. Unit time. So P is equal to W upon T, right? So that is work is joule, time is in second, right? So this is in watt, right? So we can say 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second, right? So if you cross multiply it, then it becomes 1 joule is equal to 1 watt second. Getting? Very nice. If you get so a very common, a very important and common what we call conversion, that is called 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt 1 kilowatt hour, है ना? That is called 1 kWh. So 1 kilowatt hour means 1000 watt, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is having 60 seconds. So 1 hour is having, so this is 1000 watt into 3600 seconds. So you can say that 3.6 into 10 की power 6 watt 6 watt second, right? And this watt second is equal to joule. So we can write here 1 kilowatt hour 1 kilowatt hour sorry 1 kilowatt hour kWh is equal to 3.6 into 10 की power 6 joule, right? This is basically very important unit. This is called 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 commercial unit. 1 commercial unit, right? Hello. So this 1 commercial unit, in we are using electricity in our houses. So electricity bill we are getting in units. Suppose government rates are for per unit. So if you have seen in your you can see in your electricity bill that there is written 200 units, 400 units, 500 units electricity is you consume. So it means this much energy is consumed. And for this much energy, government is charging certain rates, and according to that, you get the electricity bill. That is, there are some fixed charges. After that, per unit charges. After that, taxes. Overall bill you get along with that, right? So this 1 commercial unit is 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Value is like this. I hope this much is in your first section.